Welcome to Fanny Magnet. In this video I'll show you how you can replace the battery for Macbook Air 13-inch. So here is the new battery for Macbook Air. So we will just see how we can replace it. And in order to replace, you will need a screwdriver and an opener. So let's get started. Okay, so once you remove all the screws, so after opening the screws of the top, just open this panel and you will have a screw here. Once you open that, you have to disconnect the battery from here. Make sure you do not touch the circuit, and then just pull the battery up like this, and here is the old battery. So we will keep this battery aside and we'll take a new battery. Here is a new one. Now I'll just place this battery in the same place and I'll screw this up. Now connect the battery connector in the logic board and make sure that it is seated properly there. Here we go. Now just go ahead and place the top cover, and first you have to screw here, and second do it here, so that everything will be seated properly, and rest you can do as you want. So now you can see that all the covers of the body is looking perfect. So this was a simple video. So in case that if your battery of your MacBook Air 13-inch gone bad, you can order it online and definitely you can fix it at home. Okay, after replacing the battery, I have turned on the system. Now I'll go to the Apple logo, then go to about this Mac, click on that and go to system report, and then go to power, the power option. That's right. And if you can see here that the cycle count is 0 here, because as this is a new battery, so there is no cycle count. So this was a simple process. So if you think this video was worth watching, give me a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.